My name is Nathan Schoppa, and I am a researcher who studies the olfactory system, or the sense of smell. Why do we care about the sense of smell? I personally have always been someone who likes to smell the roses, but I think the importance of smelling for many people was brought home during the recent COVID pandemic, when many people lost their sense of smell and reported a significant degradation in the quality of life when they could not taste their food, smell their loved ones, and other important things. So my lab investigates how different brain regions process information about smells. One of the key knowledge gaps that we are attempting to address is how the brain essentially handles the complexity of odor molecules. So if we take even a simple familiar odor molecule like banana, we know that it consists of many different molecular components. And one of the things that the brain has to do is to put the information about the different components back together again so that we smell only one thing, banana, rather than the individual components. We use a variety of approaches, including electrophysiological recordings from neurons, to understand how that is done. I personally am most fascinated by basic science questions about how we perceive odors, but the work also has important clinical implications. It turns out loss of sense of smell is one of the first things that goes wrong in many common neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. And the information that we learn now about basic mechanisms of how we smell will ultimately provide a foundation for future treatments for these disorders.